Hey guys, how are you? I'm going to show you how to create a Google Plus post in a way to boost your SEO.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
And Google Plus is, it's probably the most important social network when it comes to SEO because guess what? It's the only social network that's owned by Google, and they have a lot of control. So let's do something here. So I'm gonna try to do SEO for this post. This is my YouTube video. Do I need a college degree or an MBA to start a business? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the title of this page whenever it loads. I'm going to take that, just copy paste, and this is my Google Plus for the same account. And whenever you create, and this is key, whenever you create a new Google Plus update like I'm about to do, Google actually treats it as a whole new page. And that page can rank in Google Plus, and that page can rank sometimes in Google search itself. And of course, the more people share this, the more it will help you rank whatever URLs are getting shared within this post. So here's how we're going to do this. So when you put something inside stars, you see how there's a star in the end and star in the beginning. It makes things, see how in the last post I had it bold? It's kind of like the equivalent of a title tag, right? And as you know, the title tag is very important for SEO. So this is where you want to have your keywords. And okay, then you want to add your hashtags. So in this kind of a post, we're going to do something like, of course, business. And this is hashtags are a way to categorize your post and to get discovered also through these hashtags because you're in some categories. Start, business, maybe I'll do college, right? So to get kind of like a different audience, college. I'll do MBA, right? So I'll get into the discussion for that, and I think that's enough here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a video. It's that video that, right? This is how you add a video, but you can really just put the link from the video into the thing, right into the post. I'm going to choose this video, add video. So now this video is going to be added, and then what I'm going to do is I need a lot of text because it's a post, right? So I'm just going to grab the text from right here, from my description, which is already written out for this video because I did SEO for the video. Maybe let's take a few more lines. Okay, maybe that's already like kind of a lot. You can see what I did here is, by the way, this is also an important smart tactic. In the description of my video, I have a lot of links to other videos, as you can see here, and to my books. And what that does is actually it helps your YouTube videos and it helps your other URLs rank a little bit maybe better in wherever search engines they are, either YouTube or maybe in Amazon's case in Amazon. But the cool thing is that not only does that give me content for my Google Plus post, it also gets me all these links that I can put into my Google Plus post. You see that? So maybe that will also have a positive impact on those links and not just this video, because originally I was just doing SEO for this video. And that's all I do. The last most important thing, make this public so that Google can control this, so it's not just going to your friends. So when you make this public also, that's when people will start to begin to discover you with these hashtags. And hashtags, they're not going to get you, and this is the post, and that's it. So hashtags, they aren't going to get you like a crazy amount of things, like for some reason these also links all got linked, and hopefully they'll get a little bit of an SEO boost. And but yeah, just to finish my point, hashtags won't get you a tremendous amount of extra engagement, but they'll get you some engagement. And the whole idea here is to maximize the sharing and engagement, because that's like a really positive sign for Google that the post you created is good and the things you shared is good. And when people reshare your stuff, that helps the SEO of all the things here. Got it? Okay, cool. So this is pretty much how you do like a very SEO targeted Google Plus post, and it has a number of benefits. When you do things like this, you see, like I don't have a whole lot of followers on Google Plus, because honestly, I recently only myself started putting an emphasis on it, which was a big oversight on my part. I should have done it far earlier. But the more followers you have, the more authority you have, and the more authority you have, the more SEO kind of strength you kind of are able to sort of have with your posts. And then, of course, another thing is that when people reshare your posts and find your posts through the hashtags, or if they are your existing followers, when they reshare your post, you also get more chances to sort of like have a little bit of an SEO boost for the things you're promoting. So this is really an SEO strategy, and you can also get discovered in Google search itself. So the whole post can get discovered, not just the links in it. So there's a few benefits for SEO here, and like I said, this is the most important network, social network for SEO. So if you're a marketer, if you care about SEO, I mean, this is like a really smart place to focus on.